Hello everyone, Namaste. I hope you all are good. Today I'm going to show you all the back pain exercises, that is the lower back, middle back and the upper back exercises. All the twistings and turns I will be adding in this poses. Also, if you have any back issues or injuries in your back or sciatic issue, so please consult the doctor before doing the exercise. These exercises will give you good amount of relief in your back. Practice these exercises daily if you have lower back issues. All these issues occurs, back pain issues occurs when we sit for a longer duration of time, when we drive for a longer duration of time, and any other issues. So please do these exercises. You will get a good amount of relief. If you have any questions related to these exercises, so please mention me in the comment box. I will answer those comments shortly. So let's get started with the exercise. I will be explaining you all the exercise with the breaths. So let's get started along with me. Let's see you in the mat. First is the cat-cow pose, where your shoulder and palm should be in one line and hips and knees should be in one line. Be in a tabletop position, inhaling, look up, and exhaling, hunch your back. Inhaling, look up to the ceiling. Exhaling, hunch in chest meet. Inhale up and down. Do this 15 rounds daily. Again, come in cat and cow pose. Take your left hand and bring your shoulder down. Take your right hand up. This will give a good twist in your navel and your spine. Repeat it in your other side too. Do this exercise for 5 rounds, right side 5 and left side 5. Now come in Vajrasan pose, where your toes is together and knees are separate. This is Balasana position, where you have to bring your chest down and relax your spine here. Your spine is straight, bring your forehead down, breathe normally here. Relax your breath, fill your abdomen with your air and relax your hands. Breathe normally. You can go in this position for at least 3 rounds. Make sure your back is straight and your shoulder is relaxed here. And again, bring your palms behind. Now we will go in Salamba Bhujangasana, where you have to keep your abdomen down on the floor and chest fully completely down on the floor, shoulder relaxed, and place your palms near your face and elbows near your chest, and slowly palms near your face and slowly lift your chest up here, shoulder relaxed, breathe normally. A little back bend will give you good relief in your lower back. Slowly do this 10 rounds. Keep your forehead down and slowly lift your head. Breathe normally. Now just lie down on your back and just hug both your knees towards chest. Hug your knees tightly towards chest so that you get a good relief in your lower back. Stay here for a few breaths. Breathe normally and just roll from side to side, from right side to left side, gently. take your hips towards right side once and towards your left side. Keep your focus up. Next posture is Hasta Padangustasana, where you have to hold your toes and straighten your knees up. This posture releases the tension of your lower back and give you a good amount of relief in your lower back. Beautiful posture. Bend your knees, hold your toes and take your leg up with your knees straight. Do this at least 3 rounds daily. Now slowly lie down with your knee bent, knees together and hands in T position, and slowly twist towards your right side and look towards your left palm. Twist towards your left and look towards your right. Do this right twisting 10 counts and left twisting 10 counts. This will give a good twist in your spine and relieve the tension of your back. Do this with your normal breaths. Now slowly bend your right leg. With your left palm, just hold your right knee and just twist towards your left side. Right hand in T position. Bring your right leg in the same position. Bend your left leg and with your right palm just push your knees towards right side. Left hand in T position. Do this twist at least 5 rounds. Lie down on your abdomen, hands near your chest and lift your chest up in Bhujangasana and slowly bring your chest down. Again inhaling up, give a good back bend with your elbow bend and slowly bring your chest down. Do this 10 rounds daily to improve your back muscles. Now we'll do bridge pose, where you have to bend your knees, palms by your side and slowly take your hips up and slowly down. Do this 10 rounds. Hips up, chin chest meet and slowly bring your back down. Lie down with your leg touching the wall and slowly stretch your legs and stay in this posture for few breaths. Inhale and exhale and slowly keep your back fully down and release all the stress from your lower back. This is a very good posture. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for next video. Thank you.